Welcome to Playing with Mathematics. In the previous video, I had discussed the system of linear equation solution in two variable cases. Now, I am going to discuss for three variable cases. Here, the system of equation are this and this. Therefore, the augmented matrix is the coefficient of this and which is of the form Ax equal to B. So, this portion is A and total portion is augmented matrix AB. Now, we use only elementary row operation only, not column operation. If we operate the column operation, then 3 minus 2 is subtracted, that is coefficient y and z and y coefficient are subtracted, which is not admissible. Only we reduce row reduce operation, that is how row rank, we have to find the row rank. Now operate R2 minus R1 and R3 minus of R2. Therefore 1 1 1 6 and this is 0 1 2 4 and 0 0 0 0 1 2. Thus it is rank of A equals rank of augmented matrix equals 3 and number of, therefore rank of A equal to rank of AB. This implies the system is consistent, that is the system is solvable. Here rank equal to 3 equals to in number of unknown is also 3. Number of unknown means x, y, z. Therefore, it has unique solution. We have to find what is its geometry. We are just unique solution, we find the solution. This is equivalent to x plus y plus z equals 6, y plus 2z equal to 4, z equal to 2. Therefore, z equal to 2 we can find here y equal to 0 and also putting these values we get x equal to 4. Therefore, the solution is 4 0 4 0 2. This is the unique solution cases. Unique solution, thus three planes geometrically, three planes meet at a intersect at a point. That is a three surface or three faces of a cube or three faces of the wall of corner is the point this. This is the unique solution and geometrical representation. If we now we are going to the second case, x plus y plus z equal 6, this equal to this. Now also we reduce it into row reduce operation. Here AB also 1 1 1 6 1 2 3 10 2 3 4 16. This is also reduced to R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Therefore 1 1 1 6 0 1 2 4 1 this minus 2 of this R1, that is 0, this minus 2 of this 1, this minus 2 of this 2, this minus 2 of this 4. So again R3 minus R2 1 1 1 6 0 1 2 4 and 0 0 0 0. Therefore, rank of A also rank of AB. Therefore, it is consistent. 2 number second cases, rank equals to number of unknown n equal to 3. Therefore, r less than n implies infinite number of solution. If we solve this equation, both this and this, if we try to solve this equation of the reduced form, that is x plus y plus z equal to 6 and y plus 2z equal to 4. Taking z equal to t, therefore y equal to 4 minus 2t, 4 minus 2t, also x equal to t plus 2. So x minus 2 by 1 equals y minus 4 by minus 2 equals z minus 0 by 1, which is the equation of a line. Thus, three planes intersect along the lines. Also, you can see that any two this plus this equal to 3, this and L1 plus lambda L2 equals L3 form, or linear combination of any two lines, any two planes is the third. So these three planes intersect along the line. Otherwise if we change this equation, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z equals 12. This also reduced to the form, this is also reduced to the form of rank of A equal to rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix also 2. Here number of unknown n equal to 3. Here two coincident, these are two coincident plane and third plane meet, intersect along the line. Two coincident plane and another plane intersect along the line. This is the case of 2a. Also again we change the third equation, 3x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 18. Then this is rank of A equals rank of augmented matrix is also 1 1 1 6 and reduces to 0. Thus three coincident plane. So it has many solutions in this case also. Now I am discuss the case 3. Here also augmented matrix 1 1 1 6 1 1 1 12 and 1 2 3 10. This is reduces to 1 1 1 6 R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. This is 6 and 0 0 0 6 and 0 1 2 4. That is of the form 1 1 1 6 0 1 2 4 0 0 0 6. Here rank of A equals 2 non-zero rows, rank of augmented matrix but also 3. Therefore this not equals this, therefore it is inconsistent case, inconsistent case. Therefore it has no solution. If we solve this again 0 equal to 6, which is absurd. Now what is its geometrical representation? Here we see that these two planes are also parallel and third made them. Two parallel plane and another plane cuts them. Therefore they have no common solution. So two planes are parallel and third cuts them is geometry. Now in the case B, if the plane in the case 2 A2, here also reduces to is of the form AB 1 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 1 3 1 0 minus 1 1, and by elementary row operation this is also reduces of the form 1 1 minus 2 3 0 minus 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 minus 2. Here also rank of A equals to not equal to rank of AB. Therefore, it has no solution. No solution. What is the type of these planes? What is geometry? Here the plane, three planes intersect in pair along three parallel lines. That is the form a prism. That is, if this is of the form, it may be, and this, that is two planes meet along this line, another two planes meet, suppose these two planes meet along this line, these two planes along this line, and another two planes along this line. Therefore, they form a triangular prism. If we consider the system of equation here, Ax equal to 0, that is homogeneous form, then we get homogeneous form. If we take these are 0, then we get the solution, or reduce this 0 0 0 0, that is 0 0 0 0 0. That is, if we take x plus y minus 2z equal to 0, minus y plus z equal to 0, that is z equals k, y equals k, also x equals k. In a homogeneous system, always consistent. Homogeneous system is always consistent. So we get the result k into this. Here the direction, this 1 1 1 represent the direction ratio of the line of the which all the three lines, pair of lines parallel to this direction, that is, this is the direction of the axis of the prism, prism is 1 1 1, direction ratio is this. So it does not, it has no solution, but in homogeneous case also solvable. Now for the 3 cases, if we take the system of equation this, here we see that the augmented matrix 1 1 1 2, 1 1 1 4, 1 1 1 6, this is reduces to 1 1 1 2, and this also 0 0 0 2. This can be also is of the form 8. Therefore, rank of A equals 1 and rank of augmented matrix is 2. Therefore, it has no solution in this case. Because all the line all the planes are parallel. In the second case, 2 may be considered, third. Suppose 2x, 2y, 2z equals 4. Then these are two coincident plane, and third plane is parallel to these planes. Therefore, it is also no solution. Here also rank of A 1 and rank of A equal to 2. Therefore, it is also no solution. Thanks for watching. An important information, the next video will be on examination test series for school service, PSC, MSc, MC and others exam, and first test will be on 3D and this. Thanks for watching.